Hello, and thank you for tuning in to more Earth 422. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to make fatoush. It's absolutely one of my favorite salads. It has a fresh pomegranate syrup, fried bread or baked bread, depending on what you like, and fresh pomegranates. So stay tuned. So now you've seen us successfully make fatoush, and we're going to give our hard work a try. So let's give a good up-close look of the salad and our first bite. Ooh. Drop some bread there. It's really good. Taste the fresh mint, taste the parsley, the fried bread, the fresh pomegranates. It's incredible. Give this recipe a shot. Please let me know how yours turned out in the comments, and give us a like, subscribe,